What if the most revolutionary financial system wasn't controlled by banks or governments, but by code? Blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin, isn't just a buzzword. It's the backbone of a new, transparent, and decentralized world. How does it actually work? Let's decode the surprising truths behind this game-changing innovation. What is blockchain? A new kind of ledger. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger. Imagine a book of records that isn't stored in one place, but is copied across thousands of computers worldwide. Every time a transaction happens, it's added as a new block to the chain of previous records. 1. Decentralization, the heart of blockchain. Unlike traditional systems managed by a single entity, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means no single authority, no banks, no intermediaries. Why it matters? Decentralization ensures transparency, reduces fraud, and puts control back in the hands of users. 2. The chain of trust. Each block is secured with cryptographic codes and linked to the one before it. This creates an unbreakable chain of data. Tampering with a single block would require altering the entire chain across all computers. Virtually impossible. How blockchain works, the step-by-step breakdown. The transaction begins. When someone initiates a Bitcoin transfer, the details of the transaction are broadcast to a global network of computers, known as nodes. Validation by the network. These nodes verify the transaction using a process called consensus. Think of it as a digital handshake where the network agrees the transaction is legitimate. The block is created. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with others into a block. Miners seal the deal. Here's where the magic happens. Miners, specialized computers, race to solve a complex cryptographic puzzle. The winner adds the block to the chain and is rewarded with new cryptocurrency. The immutable record. Once added, the block becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. No edits, no deletes, just a transparent, unchangeable record. Why blockchain is a game changer. 1. Security and transparency. Blockchain's cryptographic foundation ensures data integrity. Every participant can see the ledger, but private keys keep individual transactions secure. Real-life impact. From preventing fraud in financial systems to verifying supply chains, blockchain eliminates the need for blind trust. 2. A new level of efficiency. Traditional systems rely on intermediaries, leading to delays and extra costs. Blockchain replaces these with automated processes. Example, sending money internationally often takes days through banks. With blockchain, it happens in minutes or even seconds. 3. Beyond Bitcoin, expanding possibilities. While Bitcoin made blockchain famous, its applications go far beyond cryptocurrency. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements that activate when conditions are met. Healthcare, securing patient data while allowing authorized sharing. Voting systems, transparent, tamper-proof elections. Challenges blockchain must overcome. 1. Energy consumption. The mining process that secures blockchain requires enormous computing power. Critics argue this makes it unsustainable. The solution. Many networks are transitioning to energy-efficient methods like proof of stake. 2. Scalability. Can Bitcoin handle the load? Bitcoin's blockchain processes about 7 transactions per second, a fraction of what Visa handles. Innovations like Lightning Network aim to solve this by enabling faster, cheaper transactions on top of the blockchain. 3. Regulation and adoption. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate blockchain technologies. The balancing act. Too much regulation stifles innovation. Too little risks misuse. Why blockchain matters for you. Blockchain isn't just a tool for tech enthusiasts, it's shaping the future for everyone. Empowering individuals. With blockchain, you control your assets, identity, and data. Unlocking global access. From unbanked populations gaining financial tools to small businesses accessing global markets, the impact is transformative. The big picture, blockchain's role in a decentralized future. Blockchain represents more than a technological shift. It's a philosophical one. It challenges traditional power structures, pushing for transparency, fairness, and empowerment. As we navigate this digital revolution, blockchain's story is still being written. The question is, how will it shape your future?